Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Lyca Mobile eSIM on iPhone in 2026. Now, before you even begin the process, you need to make sure that your iPhone supports the eSIM technology and it should also be connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, after purchasing the Lyca Mobile eSIM, you should receive a confirmation email containing an eSIM QR code. So that QR code is required to install and activate your eSIM profile. Now, once you have that code ready, you just have to simply open your iPhone. Now, inside the iPhone, you just have to simply look for the camera application. Then you need to simply point that particular camera on top of that particular QR code. So when you tap on that, you will be landed on the eSIM setup process. If the camera doesn't recognize the QR code this way, you can also go to the settings. Then you can select the option of cellular or mobile data. Afterwards, you can tap on the option of add cellular plan or add eSIM. Then you can just simply select the option of scan the QR code, and then you can follow further on-screen activation process. So you just have to wait for some time until it activates, and that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.